Hello everyone and welcome to this week's episode of Klingberg's Farm. Alright, not quite, but we are back on the farm in Kimba to pick up a shit box of a car, and while we're here, I'm going farming. Morning checks, make sure the seed and fertilizer is coming out. one tractor out there spraying. Possibly, I think it's a 285 horsepower case and a 120 foot boom sprayer. And out there, I'll take some closer footage in a minute, but little baby 385 horsepower, I think it is, case, 9.5 ton Morris air seeder and a 50 foot seeder bar. But we'll get a bit closer in a sec. I'm also definitely an amateur when it comes to this farming business, so there's 1,200 million more people that know a lot more about farming than me. I just I just like tractors and stuff, so I don't come over here very often, and I just enjoy it when I do. All right, I was wrong. 280 horsepower case. We're in case country now. So this is the big girl. Well, small in terms of things, but I think they're up to 700 and something horsepower now. But yeah, this one is like a 2000 something model, so like maybe late 2000s model. I mean, I'll probably get told otherwise, but I'm not sure the exact year. Yeah, 385 horsepower case. Amazon, not quite. Morris air seeder. And then yeah, 50 foot seeder bar. So seeder bar's new last year, I reckon. So it's only a year old. This is 3 years old, I think. Pretty fresh in the scheme of things. Now I'm no farmer. I'm definitely no farmer, but I know some basics and can explain it a little bit. Basically, there's a grain and a fertilizer compartment in there, and there's a big fan that blows air through these tubes, and the seed and the fertilizer goes through those tubes, and those tines there spread the soil. And that tube back there's a air tube. I don't know which one it is. That one and that one. One does seed, one does fertilizer. Which one's which? That's the basics of it. So a few thousand acres, easy done. So just filled up with seed and fertilizer, and then once again blow a little bit out to make sure that the everything's working. So wait till the cedar bars cross that line, then down like this way, and then this way, and then turn.
So just turn the brake just clear a bit.
Once it's come up, though, or once it's
no, you can
just
start turning.
Yeah.
Once you cross the line, then turn the steering wheel.
Yeah.
Brake it after you've got click that back.
So I don't run over the fence. I think it's the speed that's the, like if it was crawling and you had time to think about it.
This is slow.
Very nervous.
So as you flick that back, so you turn and brake the steering.
As I flip that,
Take a while for that to turn.
yeah.
Just make sure you leave yourself enough room for the fences.
Yeah. Maybe it's how we went down.
So you can probably even brake it now for the steering if you want.
Yeah.
Now if it's up down another way, lift it up.
It is up, it's coming up. Like that?
Yep. Put that back down. Yeah, he clicks. There we go.
Ah, too much going on.
There you go. Just put in neutral.
Like that.
Yeah, this end.
I'm gonna have to do that a couple times to work it out.
So you can probably brake your steering
Before you flip
lift it up.
Yeah.
Because like I said, the tractor starts to turn, but that stays straight. for
Yeah,
a while.
I think the brake and the steering feels weird too.
Yeah.
Now I'm a farmer. So it's not a John Deere. It is a case, but it's got a John Deere GPS in it. And that's the cedar box internals and camera behind it there.
Probably brake it about now. Then now lift it up. Spin, turn. Don't turn too sharp. Just spin those wheels around. We go backwards. Now it should be right. Hit your auto steer.
Put that down.
Yeah, hit your auto steer. Your wrist sucks up.
Oh.
Brake it again. Go around. Just go around that way.
Lift it up.
Yeah.
That way.
Yeah. Go around. You can get sort of as you're coming back in, hit your auto steer. And
Yeah.
Take it across.
I wasn't sure when to put this down. That's why I said, could I put that down before I hit my auto steer?
Yeah. Put your yeah.
So you put that down before you hit the auto steer or after?
After. Yeah. Just let it down a little bit. So push it forward a bit. Yep. Much. Swing around here. Don't get too close. Because you're going to be down straight.
Oh, yeah. take two on that one.
Bring the steering down.
As soon as the wheels started going straight on that, I just put it in. When it crossed that line. Well, that was a lot smoother than that.
Like I said, there's a delayed reaction from when the seat actually comes out the box to get back to the
Yeah.
so it's very properly now.
Yeah.
I should have
Yeah.
at least 10 foot. If this to the start. Bring the steering down.
And so when the front wheels cross this line, it's getting easier now. Yeah, right, so it just does one side at a time. Yeah. I noticed that like one side started coming up and then it started going back down again. And those cables are just like safety cable things, aren't they?
Not too bad because it has opened up the first.
Easy. got some traffic here.
Scratched down the side of the truck. These tracks are grunted to grunt.
Where it's been driven on. It's waiting for you. So when that seed gets pickled, someone just comes and does it, or he just adds something to it?
No, they do it when they seed clean.
Yeah, right. All right. So the seed that you keep gets cleaned and then pickled. Yeah, right.
So it's going, once it's been through the clean, it normally goes into an auger. Used to go in an auger, and then the people that go in on the hopper.
Yeah, right. And mixed up sort of thing as it goes through.
She's going to be hard.
100%. Best day at work ever! Best day ever. Okay, so I'm definitely a rookie, but after some fumbles and whatnot, yeah, I managed to do some tractor driving and learn some stuff, which is the most important thing. And I'm stoked, so happy. Been looking forward to this my whole life. I tell you what though, if you do like watching this sort of farming stuff, let us know, because I can probably go into a bit more depth and detail with some of it. Like I said, I am a rookie. I don't know enough, but I know the people who do know enough, you know what I mean? So to explain a few things, but I've kind of been around farming all my life, loosely sort of thing. So I know the basics here and there, but yeah, let us know if you like it or not. All right, that's going to be it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the farming. I had fun, and yeah, like I said, definitely a rookie, a novice at this sort of thing, but yeah, I just got a lot of time for anything mechanical, as I've said before. So farming, tractors, all this, I love it. So it's just, yeah, like I said, I'd love to be a farmer, but I don't have tens of millions of dollars to buy into it. You know how it is. So anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure you hit the subscribe button to stay up to date. Let us know if you did like this video. I can perhaps do a bit more on this farming sort of stuff in the future if it's popular. But yeah, let us know. Thanks, guys.